Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can change your graphic card performance preferences for your games and software in Windows 11. So this video is pretty straightforward, so if this video will be helpful, you can write down below in the comments that it helped you. What you want to do is just scroll down below on the bottom, on Start, right click and go to Settings. Now when you're going to be here, click on Display on a system. Let's wait until it loads. Then click Graphics on Related Settings. And then you're gonna have like Applications here. So what you want to do is pretty simple. Let's say I'm going to click on Call of Duty, and I would click Options. And now you have options to have like high performance, power saving, or let the Windows decide. This is completely up to you which one you're gonna choose. But yeah, if this video will be helpful guys, I'll be really happy if you like share down below in the comments that, man, like, yes, thank you, this video helped me. And yeah, thank you very much guys, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya. And use like save it, power saving or high performance.